Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We wanna talk about poultry farming. Today we wanna focus on poultry farming of layers chicken. As you can see, let's check on our introduction on what farmers require to keep chicken layers. First we'll go step by step from day one. Chick hold day one. Okay, what it requires, you have to make a brooder for the chicks to stay in a good condition. As you can see there, we are making a brooder. As you can see there, the brooder is so fine and ready for the chicks. You can use Jiko or a burner to provide warmth for the good condition of chicks. As you can see, guys. See guys, our chicks now. You can see even that bulb can be helpful. Guys, you can see me there, guys. Wow. This is during daylight now. This is wonderful, guys. This is wonderful. In order for the chicks to stay strong, there's some kind of vitamins you have to give them. Some dosage you have to give them. The others act like glucose to give them power to grow. Like this, guys. Chick start. As you can see, guys, chick start. Given measurement there. Aliceril, guys. And there's Vigozin, guys. That's vitamin. Chick start and the measurement kit. The food you have to give the chicks is chick mash, and this table, guys, will help you to go through. You must have temperatures, guys, everything ready. Yeah, guys, yes, you can see, guys, they are moving and the chicks are now growing too fast, guys. As we go, guys, at the first week, guys, we give them a vaccination and even hygiene. You have to look the hygiene everywhere. Have to be clean. That's nice, guys. That's nice. As you can see, that nice job is done there. Okay, the first week we give the vaccination of gumball, but the vaccination determines the area you stay, guys, according to which type of diseases. After giving them vaccinations for some weeks, guys, we prepare them for being growers. We prepare them for a room, guys. Now they are big, as you can see, guys. What a wonderful job, guys. That's a wonderful job, guys. Now they're now layers. They're now growers. Now after moving to that stage, guys, now this chat will help you to vaccinate, guys. After their final vaccination, guys, you start seeing the eggs at the 20th and 21st week. This chart will help to recognize the disease with each kind of poop. This kind of antibiotics and dosage will help you guys to improve your chicken keeping so that it will not end bad, guys. Many types of diseases like this, guys. This is a Newcastle disease. It's very bad, guys. Once it affects your chicken, it can't recover, guys. This is how you have to build your ventilation. Chicken house has to be built properly so that to allow the air penetrating inside so that they don't have the warmth stress, and when they get stress you can give them vitamin to reduce stress, so that you have to encounter stress because they can lower the laying number of eggs. Yeah, guys, as you can see, guys, they're now big, they're now laying, guys. These are now layers, guys. As you can see, guys, a lot of plenty, guys. And in order to do this business, guys, you have to be keen in all means. You can see this is plenty of eggs, guys. It's a good business. Wow. It's a good business, guys. As you can see, the eggs are taken to the store. After there, they are taken to the market. The eggs are taken to the market, guys. In this year, guys, the last year 2024, the market has not been good, but the year in 2023 the market was good, but now we are hoping to get better. So now when you are dealing with layer chickens, you have to be clean, you have to observe cleanliness. See how this guy is washing the drinkers to avoid dirty water and infection. This is feeding, guys. These guys are taking the food into their rooms and feeding the chickens. As you can see, guys. As you can see, there's those parasites that are found on chicken. You can use this dosage to stop them. And chicken manure is so good, guys. You just have to put it a little to the plant. It works on all plants, vegetables, fruit, as you can see, guys. Cabbages, eggplants, sukuma wiki, hot pepper, and so ever, guys, even maize plants. You can see, guys. The final step, guys, you have to be keen. Guys, you have to be keen with your business, guys. You have to record everything. You have to record the mentality. You have to record, guys. You have to record the number of trays in a day, guys. You have to make sure that every day you record your room. You have to record the eggs number, the trays number per day, and also the expenses. The expenses are supposed to be done by the work you do, guys. The chicken, after 5 months, they are supposed to provide themselves their food. These are expenses, guys. Guys, you have to be keen to study the profits and the losses in everything. Thank you, guys. If it's so exciting, don't forget to share, like, subscribe,